Number 2 is R QIDI Technology Max 3D printer. The R QIDI Technology Max 3D printer is an exceptional 3D printer perfect for metal printing enthusiasts. It is designed with a high-quality industrial-grade FDM structure. It adheres to high standard production and strict process requirements, ensuring that it is safe to use and can deliver superior print quality. With a print size of 260 by 200 by 200 millimeters, it can handle most daily printing needs, while its closed printing feature is perfect for ABS and other filament printing that requires a closed environment. Max 3D printer also comes with a unique extruder equipped with one set of 0.4 mm extruders and one set of 0.2 mm hot end, making it more accurate and stable when printing large models. Furthermore, the Max 3D printer is easy to use thanks to its excellent user experience and large UI interface. It comes with self-developed QIDI slicing software that offers two modes to choose from, normal mode and expert mode, depending on your experience level. The normal mode is perfect for novices, while the expert mode is ideal for experienced users who want to modify parameters and personalize printing models. If you want to purchase the printer, check out the link in the description box below.